Alright, so many people who find it difficult to fall asleep believe that putting a clove of garlic under their pillow each night will improve their sleeping pattern. The sulfur contents in garlic, along with its aroma, have a calming effect that help improve the quality of one's sleep. Now, garlic has numerous benefits, among which helps also in calming and also relieving tiring eye. Consuming garlic daily can help treat many health problems such as baldness, liver disease, cold and flu. Garlic and even cleanses the body. So using garlic under your pillow would help you to fall asleep. And also I'm going to be showing you the step 2 on how you can use garlic to fall asleep. Now, if you cannot use this particular step, which is actually going to, smell like a little bit of the aroma of garlic is going to be on your pillow and on your sheets, like on your bed sheet, I'm going to be showing you the number 2 step in which you're going to use that will help you to fall asleep very fast.
Alright guys, so to improve your sleep you're going to be needing garlic. Okay, so the first step is what I've actually just finished showing you. Now this is the second step. Okay, so what you're gonna do is to peel off your garlic. Okay, so I'm gonna be taking some garlic cloves, about 4. Then we're going to peel it off. So now you're gonna blend the garlic. So here it is. So I'm going to be putting in water because the garlic is actually not much. So let me try to see if I can blend it again to be properly blended. And now it is properly blended. And here is the garlic. So the next thing you're going to be needing is milk. Okay, you can use the liquid milk or you can use the powdered milk. Here I have the powdered milk, about 1 tablespoon of milk. If you're a milk lover, you can put more than that. For me, I'm not a milk lover, so I need to use in a little quantity. Okay, so one. So now we're gonna be putting in honey. Okay, honey is very much required in this. About 1 tablespoon of honey is okay. Okay, now you're gonna be putting in water. Now after you put in water, then you can mix it up. Alright guys, so to improve your sleep guys, you're gonna be taking this. Now let me have a take and tell you how it is. Wow, this is actually super nice. I've actually not taken this mix before. Now this is actually going to improve your sleep. It's super duper nice. Alright guys, so after putting the garlic under your pillow, you can take this particular one. Okay, it's actually going to help to improve your sleep very well. Okay, and with the garlic in it, it's super duper thick. Like, trust me guys, you can go and try this, take it and come back to the comment section and let me know, because when immediately you take it, you're going to begin to feel very dizzy and drowsy. Okay,